Good morning, fellas. Good morning, ladies. I'm showing you my morning routine. I did a 16-minute video, so I doubt I'll even do this one because it's redundant. But let me show you the breakfast of champions. We got some toast, fried toast with the best Vietnamese honey. I would rather buy the best, sacrifice a coffee or sacrifice a meal. Comes from a very special part of Vietnam. It has the jelly of the royal jelly. I'm gonna cut this bad boy in half. Let me set the phone down for a second. Alright, reserve. I just made a 16-minute video going over all this. This will be the shorter version. Okay. Now, the eggs are done. One egg goes here. One egg goes here. Okay, now, get a napkin. We're gonna need a napkin. Where do they keep the napkins at in this place? There's a napkin right here. Alright, so part of the morning is with the beautiful, beautiful view there. We're gonna sit on this yoga mat and we're gonna meditate. And we're gonna meditate to the gray. So every morning I listen to this. It gives me courage about facing death and about having the courage at the end of the life. Any of you know it? Beneath this fast. So that poem right there is something that I live by. Once more into the fray, into the last good fight I'll ever know. Live and die on this day. Live and die on this day. So I always listen to that, and then I will do 30 minutes of Clyde Atlas OST. So let me show you what that sounds like. You ready? So Clyde Atlas OST. You go to this one right here, and this is very hard for me because of my ankle, but bad ankle goes on the bottom. You sit like this. And what you do on this is that you focus in on your breath going in. Hold it. Focus in it being in your body. And then you breathe out. And you think of nothing else for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you need to get yourself in that mindset. Get yourself, if you're, whatever you're fighting. If you're fighting here, if you're fighting in the body, if you're fighting both, meditation, and then, whatever yoga that your body's capable of. If you can't do any, just try to stretch the parts that you can stretch. Point is like those rare times that you have good moments, right? Those rare times that you have good moments, take advantage of it. You have to be willing. You have to be willing to open your mind to non-traditional ways of, I don't know, how would I explain it? A man like me never really meditated, but I found meditation to be helpful with certain things that I struggle with. Anyways, though, today is actually a special day. Wondering why? I spoke to somebody last night, and a family member. Had been a long time, and it was just good hearing his voice, hearing that, he's proud. So in Vietnamese, he says "Xin moi." Cheers. I don't know if I should upload this video or the 16-minute video. What do I have planned for today? It depends. You see, I wake up, there's a very small window of, I'd say, optimism, but as the hours progress, it usually starts at the bottom of my neck and it'll work its way up, and it'll become this really horrible migraine. Then that leads to thoughts, and you start thinking too much, and then your whole day becomes a day of just, you have to just keep yourself distracted. On that motorcycle, listening to this music, whatever it takes just to make it through the next hour. I know what you're thinking. This is what you eat? You went to the other side of the world? Yeah. You know why? Because these eggs, I could actually go to the market and buy like 150 of them for maybe, I don't know, 150,000 dong, a couple bucks. Whereas, and back home in the West, for 12 eggs, it's like what, $7, $5 for y'all. Literally, you go to the market. They have drive-in markets. People will be sitting, on the street selling different things. And yeah, you just go to your favorite lady, vendor, the one that you trust, who has the best quality, gives you a good deal, gives you the best price, and you say, look, I want 100 eggs. Fresh, every day, the vegetables, the produce is fresh. Pro tip, obviously you have to wash everything, so your eggs, your vegetables, you buy cucumbers, anything like that, you wash, but don't wash with the city tap water. Buy Lavi, buy Aquafina, buy bottled water, even when you're washing your produce, because metal, toxins and stuff like that can be absorbed. So even if you're cleaning it, what you need to do, there's still a lot of toxins in that water. So, anyways, I wear that mask, that hat keeps my hair out of my mouth. Today is day one of a challenge, we'll just say. And I'm starting it with bread, toast, and yoga, meditation. Things that in my life I never thought, things that you don't really think can matter. But as you get older and as your body and your mind is not as, it doesn't matter what point, how strong your body and your mind is, but like, if you're more open-minded to trying holistic, different kinds of treatment. So, therapeutic treatments such as like journaling, such as sitting on a beach. I forget what that is. Holistic, I think, is the word, but yeah, you gotta forgive me. So yeah, that's it. We'll keep this one short. I think I'll post this video instead of the 16-minute one, just because, this place. Anyways, let's hope for a good hour. Let's hope for a good, I dare say, day. Is it too much to ask to hope for a good day? I do know where the library is at. Millions of books at my disposal. Millions of books. And the smell of new books, old books, there's nothing more better. Besides the scent of a beautiful woman, a book, smelling those pages, smelling that knowledge, that literature, the history. I hope that's what heaven smells like, books. And a beautiful woman, obviously, but books and a beautiful woman and the smell of oil burning on a cool, nice motorcycle. That smell of burnt rubber. That smell of your exhaust just, and your engine just, and the sound of a little gun when you're hunting and you know you hit your shot. Anyways, I'm blabbing on. See you guys later. I gotta eat. My food's getting cold. Simoy. And come on. Bye.